Okay, so we got an Alhambra Zero Natura MM0QQZ coming in for pro setup. Apart from that, the strings is new as well. So the client says that the action is a bit high. Typically for classical guitar is a bit higher. So in the range of 3 to 4 mm for the action. Right now it's 3.5. I managed to bring it down to 1.75. Typically, if let's say the player is he plays a lot of electric guitar, then he wants a slightly a bit more lower action. But this is not applicable to all classical guitar because the design isn't made for very low action. So yeah, apart from that, he also needs strap buttons as well, so I installed them for him. That's it. So I see you at the end of the video. Bye. Okay, so that's it for this job. If you need my help for any of the work, guitar work, bass work, do let me know. You can contact me via WhatsApp 84189951. I hope to see you soon. Bye.